My team just made an 8-minute long form video that will never go viral, but is going to make my client a lot of money. Here's what we did. So you see this page? This is a service page. I came over to treatments, our treatments, and that is a service page. As you scroll down, there's going to be a lot of information that is SEO focused content here. In addition to that, we put some videos up here, but these testimonial videos, yes, they are helping to be a part of a puzzle that is making my client money. But this video right here, this is the beast I'm talking about. Independently, this will start ranking on YouTube because we built it that way. From the pre-production process to the post-production process, this is part of an overall strategy that is going to help them have omnipresence. SEO focused to help rank on YouTube. Embed it on the site via YouTube to help boost rankings on this page with a video element there. This is smart SEO. If you don't know SEO, come talk to your boy over here. We're doing this for brands, and it is really helping them have a sticky, cohesive content marketing strategy. But that's not all. We're going to take this same video, and that's going to turn into many vertical social media posts that will populate on their feeds. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikToks, you name it. This can also be a LinkedIn post for the company. So we've taken one piece of content and we have embedded it in so many different strategies. Oh, and did I mention email? Yeah, they're going to send this video out as part of an email campaign. That's smart marketing. If you are not using video like this, come talk to me. You should be.